Welcome, animal lovers and curious minds alike. Have you ever found yourself marveling at the sheer size of the creatures that share our planet, or perhaps those that once roamed it long before us? Today, prepare to be amazed as we embark on an epic journey across the ages, exploring the titans of the animal kingdom, the biggest animals that ever lived, both past and present. Get ready to be astonished by the wonders of evolution and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Let's kick things off with a truly astonishing fact. The largest animal to ever exist is not just a legend of the past, but a living, breathing giant swimming in our oceans today. Yes, you heard that right. The blue whale holds the title for the biggest animal in the history of our planet. These gentle giants can reach lengths of up to 100 feet and tip the scales at an astonishing 200 tons. To put that into perspective, that's about the same as 33 fully grown Tyrannosaurus rexes, or the combined weight of 2,500 average humans. The blue whale's heart alone is as big as a small car, and its tongue can weigh as much as an elephant. Imagine that the next time you gaze out at the sea, somewhere out there, these colossal creatures glide through the water, living proof that nature's capacity for grandeur is still very much alive. But what about the prehistoric beasts that have captured our imaginations for generations? Let's take a step back in time and meet some of the most awe-inspiring megafauna to ever walk, swim, or fly across the Earth. One of the most notorious ancient giants was the megalodon, an enormous prehistoric shark that dominated the oceans millions of years ago. Growing up to 60 feet in length, roughly the size of a bowling lane, the megalodon was a true apex predator. Its jaws were so powerful that they could crush a car with a single bite, and its teeth, some of which have been found fossilized, are as big as a human hand. Just imagine swimming in ancient seas with a creature of that magnitude lurking below. On land, the Paraceratherium reigned supreme as the largest land mammal ever known. This hornless relative of the modern rhinoceros towered over its contemporaries, standing about 18 feet tall at the shoulder. That's taller than a double-decker bus. Weighing up to 20 tons, Paraceratherium browsed the ancient forests and open plains, using its long neck to reach leaves high in the treetops. It's hard to even picture such a massive animal moving gracefully across the landscape. Yet fossil evidence tells us these giants truly existed. Let's not forget the dinosaurs, the most famous of all prehistoric giants. The Argentinosaurus, for example, is considered one of the largest land animals to have ever lived, with estimates suggesting it could reach lengths of over 100 feet and weigh up to 100 tons. This sauropod dinosaur would have dwarfed even the largest elephants of today, its immense size serving as a testament to the evolutionary possibilities of life on Earth. Now, let's bring our focus back to the present and see how today's largest animals compare to these ancient behemoths. As we've already mentioned, the blue whale surpasses even the largest dinosaurs in terms of sheer mass, making it the undisputed heavyweight champion of all time. But what about the biggest animals on land today? The African bush elephant holds that title, reaching heights of up to 13 feet at the shoulder and weighing as much as 13 tons. While this is certainly impressive, it's still only a fraction of the size of the Paraceratherium, or the largest sauropods. In the skies, the largest living bird is the ostrich, which can reach up to 9 feet tall and weigh around 300 pounds. But if we look back in time, the Argentinosaurus magnificens, an extinct bird from South America, had a wingspan of over 23 feet. That's wider than the length of a school bus. These comparisons remind us just how much the animal kingdom has changed over millions of years. So, why were prehistoric animals often so much bigger than their modern counterparts? One key factor is the environment. During the eras when megafauna thrived, the Earth's climate was generally cooler, and vast expanses of lush vegetation provided abundant food sources. This allowed herbivores to grow larger, and in turn, their predators evolved to keep up. As climates shifted and habitats changed, many of these giants struggled to survive. The end of the last ice age brought warmer temperatures and shrinking habitats, leading to the extinction of many of the world's largest animals. Humans have also played a significant role in shaping the size and diversity of animals on our planet. As our ancestors spread across continents, they hunted many large species to extinction and altered landscapes to suit their needs. This loss of megafauna has had lasting effects on ecosystems, impacting everything from plant growth to predator-prey relationships. Despite these challenges, the world today is still home to some truly remarkable giants. In the depths of the ocean, the colossal squid lurks, reaching lengths of up to 46 feet. On land, the giraffe stands tall as the world's tallest animal, with some individuals reaching heights of up to 19 feet. Each of these modern giants is a living link to the ancient past, a reminder of the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. As we look to the future, it's more important than ever to protect the habitats of these magnificent creatures. Conservation efforts have already shown promise, with whale populations slowly recovering since the end of commercial whaling. By safeguarding the environments that support the world's largest animals, we ensure that future generations can marvel at their majesty, just as we do today. So, as we wrap up our journey through time and size, take a moment to appreciate the wonders of the natural world. From the towering dinosaurs and mammalian giants of the past to the awe-inspiring blue whales and elephants of today, the story of life on Earth is one of constant change and adaptation. Nature never ceases to amaze, and there will always be more to discover. What do you think about these enormous creatures? Which one amazed you the most? Let us know your thoughts and keep the conversation going. And if you enjoyed this exploration of the biggest animals that ever lived, be sure to stay tuned for more fascinating animal facts. Until next time, keep wondering, stay curious, and remember, the world is full of giants, past and present, just waiting to be discovered.